Crude oil continued with the reversal and has achieved the highs at 81.5 before closing the week above $80 levels, the critical support zone. Can we expect another bullish candle here in crude oil as it is coming out of this flag formation? Can we expect this breakout, or there is a possibility of a reversal and bearishness in the coming week? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators towards the end of the I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies. So watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates and targets. First, I share with Asia and Europe session and then with the US session every day. Press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's look at the 4-hour charts in crude oil. If you look at the 4-hour charts, you'll see the movement here: rise, retracement, then a rise and then the retracement. Yes, the 20 period moving averages are proving out to be a greater support here for crude oil on the downside. Now this time you can see the slope of the bullish momentum has certainly changed. You can say that the slope is changing here, the bullishness getting diminished, and that is where we can see a reversal. Now post reversal, this was the first bearish candle and it is seen taking support from the 20 period moving average. There are very good support at around 80 and 79.3, 79.5 zone. If oil is seen trading below these levels in the coming week, we can expect it to move towards the zone, which is going to be the next milestone for oil, which is at around 77.3, 78.5 zone. Thus we have to be careful. It is trying to reverse. Still I will say it is not bearish as long as this zone is not taken, that is 77.3 levels are not taken. We should not be treating oil as bearish. Stochastic has dropped sharp. Look at MACD. See MACD on the 4-hour charts forming double top. It is trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. This can lead to slight bearishness before it continues on the upside. So yes, double top is seen trying to trade with bearishness. I will wait for it to break these lows, which also will suggest that the prices are seen trading below, and then it can continue on the downside before looking forward to any up move. See, it has seen a very good recovery here, and since then it is trading bullish. RSI has dropped sharply on the 4-hour charts. Coming to the daily, look at the daily charts here. Again, this bullish channel is respected, higher highs, higher lows. See what has happened in the last trading session. We have seen it delivering higher lows, higher highs, and then showing a major swing before closing at 80.5. Now in the coming week, first thing is it has to trade below this zone. Very good support in between 79.6 to 80.2, and then below that we can expect it to drop further towards 78.6, 78 and lower levels. So these are going to be important support zone. A breakout here is going to be sharp. This is going to be first milestone, and if it breaks this zone at 78, we can say further bearishness may prevail. Right now I see this as a breakout out of this bearish flag formation. Look at this, nice flag was formed on the daily charts and it has given a breakout. So I do not see it breaking this zone, and thus possibly this bullish momentum may continue, though a little retracement on the downside towards 78 or 77 can be expected, but from those levels a recovery cannot be denied here. Moving averages are convergent here, are on the verge of a crossover. Stochastic overbought. MACD, look, forming the double bottom. It is trading with divergence, looking bullish. It can continue to diverge, it can continue to move on the upside. So a bit of convergence before it looks over to up move is what we can see. So in some couple of trading sessions, couple of bearish sessions for the next week, maybe till the midweek, till the inventory data releases, we can see the bearishness in oil to continue, and then it can bounce back. RSI near to top. Coming to weekly, likewise on the weekly charts, see one important observation on the weekly charts is the moving averages, which are almost running flat and all together are aggregated here at 79, making it a very good support zone. Second thing is first bullish candle and the second candle. Now almost the body size is same, but with, you can say, it's slightly diminishing, which means the bullishness getting diminished. So the coming candle can show you swings, possibly taking the drop towards 79 or in fact 78 zone, and from those levels a recovery is what we can expect. I will not say that it has turned completely bullish. Also, if you look at the rise here, the nice flag formation and a breakout out of this flag is the point where you can confirm that it is reversing. So now 82, 84, this is the zone oil needs to break. Whenever you see oil staying above this zone at 82, 84 in the coming week or in the next few weeks, if oil breaks past this zone, stay bullish. We will look forward to 88, 92.4, and then in fact $100 levels very soon. It may take few weeks from now, not necessarily that it is going to happen in 1 week or so, but yes, couple of months or more, yes. But if it breaks beyond 82, 84, we can look forward to a stronger rise in crude oil. The stochastic is rising. Look at now, see MACD on the weekly charts. First of all, a very good base was formed. Then this is the main trend retracement. Again, the rise, but it is reversed here in the midway itself, and now looking forward to crossover. So the crossover here can lead to a stronger rise towards the top here, which means that next few weeks, if not next week, maybe the month of July and August are going to remain extremely bullish. That is what is my expectation. RSI is rising. Coming to the month. Now, if you look at monthly charts here, see, taking support from 100 period, we have seen this rising. Again, taking support from 100 period, we have seen this rising. Now, important point to note here is, so far we can see lower highs and higher lows. Where are the lower highs now situated at around 87 levels? And yes, if it on the monthly charts, whenever oil is seen trading beyond this in the next couple of months, you can say now we are looking forward to a sharper rise. See the drop, retracement drop, and it is trying to bounce back. But where the current candle closes is going to be of prime importance, because see, if it closes at around 76, 77, that will be a confirmation of a doji. And from those levels, if it continues on the downside, that should be confirmation that the bears are back in action and a sharper drop can be seen. So coming week is going to be important. The closing of the weekly candle, where it closes, will be also the monthly candle closing, and where it closes is going to be of prime importance, because that will decide the future for crude oil. I still expect that there has to be further bullish momentum in crude oil. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking downward. This is a slight bearish sign. But look at me. I have shared this several times. First wave, second wave, and it is on the verge of a crossover. So possibly once it crosses over from here, we can look forward to a reverse. Right now, I can see it converging, but it is not yet crossed over. A crossover is what we should wait for. And thus, I say that possibly the next 2 months are going to remain critical. And specifically for next week, we have to be watchful where it closes. I see a possible bearishness for the first couple of days till midweek, and then a bounce back is what you can look forward to. RSI comfortable here. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. And before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of 30-second mentorship batch starting soon. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And those who are just willing to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where we trade diverse instruments including commodities and indices. So reach out to me, connect with me over Telegram or email. Both the contact details are shared in the channel and video description. And those who are looking forward to a broker where you can trade safe, secure, which offers a step-free account and lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering this, first let's talk about the levels to buy. See, 80.8, 81.4. You can buy at 80.8, expect 81.4. And if it breaks this zone at 81.4, 81.6, we can say that the bulls are back in action, and we will look forward to 82.4 and 83.6 levels. Beyond 83.6, a stronger rise towards 84.1 and then 85 levels. I do not see it moving towards 85. Possibility of a slight retracement exists, and it can try to trade in range. Thus, at best, it can try to either deliver higher highs towards 82.4, 83.6 and reverse. This is one possibility. Or if you see a drop first, then it can possibly show you rise and move towards this zone. But for the coming week at least, I do not see much significant move, and thus you have to be careful in it around these levels. On the downside, thus we expect a slight retracement, so possibility exists that it can try to start the week on a bearish note with a slight drop and then bounce back later in the week. So where to sell? I will recommend you to sell here at 80.2 levels. Expect 79.6 as the first support zone. Very good support here. And if it breaks this, then 79.2, 78.5, then 77.8, and then 77.3. Now below 77.3 is where slight bearishness towards 77. This zone is going to be of prime importance. As long as 77, 77.3 levels are respected, chances of a reversal will be very, very high. Below 77 is where you can expect the bears will take over. 76.35 and 75.9 are the next targets. I do not see oil moving towards these levels any point of time soon, but these are markets. You have to respect the levels. If it drops below 77, certainly the bearishness will be strong, and then you can look forward to a stronger drop. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Contact details are shared there in the channel and video description. Subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead, and do not miss to watch the twice a day updates every day. Thank